In this video, I will show you how to download and install XAMPP software in Windows 11. If you want to download it and install it without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you have to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome and search in search bar XAMPP and press enter at the top. After pressing enter, you can see XAMPP installer and download for Apache friends. Click this link. When you click this link, you will reach XAMPP's official website. Here we can download it. For downloading it, simply click XAMPP for Windows. Click this option. When you click this option, our download will be start automatically. If your download has not started, simply click here option. You can see we have our download file has started. For choosing where you want to save this file, you have to choose download folder. You can choose any folder. Here I am choosing download folder. After choosing download folder, then click save. Then you can see our file is downloading. We have to wait until this file is completing. Next we will install it. Here you can see we have downloaded it. Now it's time to install it. For installing it, simply click folder icon. When you click folder icon, you can see XAMPP Windows x64. For installing it, right click on it, then click open. After clicking open option, then you have to click yes. And you can see XAMPP. Here you have to click OK. Then next. Here do not click any, untick this option. And then click next. Then click next. Here you have to choose language. Here I am choosing the English language. Then click next. Setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP. Click next. And our XAMPP is installing. We have to wait until this process is completing. Next, after this process, we will use it. XAMPP. You can see we have downloaded and installed XAMPP in Windows 11. When you click finish, our software will be started. Here you can see now you can use it and do whatever you want to do. I hope this video help you. If you have any query, ask in comment box.